temple of the heart, where the silence speaks. We gather in vibration, one love, one light, one breath. Step in the circle where the baseline flows, ancient rhythm that the wise man knows. Roots run deep like the rivers below. In the dub temple, let your spirit grow. Mountains whisper through the lion sound. Truth in the drum when the beat goes around. Close your eyes, feel the sacred ground. In this meditation, peace is found. Your temple session, heart in alignment, breath of creation, soul in refinement, echoes of Zion in every direction. Love is the guide in this vibration. Leaves on the breeze, sing a timeless song. Nature remind us where we belong. No division, right or wrong. In unity we stand strong. Fire and water, earth and sky. Balance within, no need to try. Listen within, hear the Most High. Truth reveal, no veil, no lie. Love temple session, heart in alignment, breath of creation, soul in refinement, echoes of Zion in every direction. Love is the guide in this vibration. Temple, silence. From the roots to the ground, let the energy rise. Open your heart, see through illusion disguise. Wisdom ancient in the elders' eyes. Truth live on, it never dies. Every heartbeat is a sacred drum, calling all nations to live as one. Under the moon and the rising sun, the healing journey has begun. No war in the temple, no fear in the sound, only pure love. embrace of the morning glow, where the silent rivers gently flow. Hear the voice within your soul, calling truth to make you whole. Inner light shines so bright, guide I through the darkest night. Double eyes, feel the vibration. Jah love, pure meditation. Walking through the valleys of time, searching for a truth so divine. Every step in rhythm and grace, see the Most High in every face. Mountains rise and oceans breathe, life is more than what we perceive. Close your eyes and you will see the roots of love inside of thee. Dub-wise in a light, shining from within, cleanse the heart and free the mind from sin. One love flowing like a gentle stream, living life in a conscious dream. Dub-wise in a light, glowing ever true, peace and unity in all we do. Nature sings in harmony so bright, guided by the inner light. From the soil where the roots run deep, ancient wisdom we must keep. Drums of earth and heartbeat sound, sacred echoes all around. Wind will carry what is true, every breath of life renew. Stand as one, no need to fight, truth revealing inner side. Dub-wise in a light, shining from within, cleanse the heart and free the mind from sin. One love flowing like a gentle stream, living life in a conscious dream. Dub-wise in a light, glowing ever true, peace and unity in all we do. Nature sings in harmony so bright, guided by the inner light. Of yesterday, in love and truth we find a way. No separation, no divide, all creation unified. In every heart a fire burns, through every lesson spirit learns. Rise above the fear and fight, walk in love and in a light. Dub-wise in a light, shining from within, cleanse the heart and free the mind from sin. One love flowing like a gentle stream, living life in a conscious dream. Dub-wise in a light, glowing ever true, peace and unity in all we do. Nature sings in harmony so bright, guided by the inner light. Inner light. In the silence of the hills, where the wind carry ancient sound, prophecy revealing a dub. Listen and remember. Dub wise prophecy echo true I soul. Ancient vibration make the broken whole. From the root to the crown, let the healing flow. In the rhythm of Jah, all the truth we know. Dub wise prophecy carried by the breeze, whisper through the trees, set the spirit free. One love, one heart, one destiny. In the dub we find eternity. River keep flowing, never ask where it goes. Teach our patience in the undertow. Mountains stand firm through the storm and rain. Till I say strength, come to the pain. Birds sing softly in the morning light. Chant the psalm till the dark turn bright. Every leaf hold a story untold. In the book of life, wisdom unfold. But the truth still calls. In the quiet space beyond the wall, meditation deeper than the sea. That's the place where I sail free. No chain can bind what is divine. Light within forever shine. See the unity in every face. Different paths but the same embrace. Double wise prophecy echo through our soul. Ancient vibration make the broken whole. From the root to the crown, let the healing flow. In the rhythm of Jah, all the truth we know. Fire of truth burn illusion away. Guide the heart to a brighter day. Babylon fade like the morning mist. Only love remain in the finalists. Hear the drum like a heartbeat sound, calling every lost one back around. From the valley low to the highest peak, every soul got the truth to speak. Slow it down, breathe it in, let the inner journey now begin. No separation, no divide, just the universe living inside. The power in simplicity. Nature write the sacred code in every step along the road. Sunlight warm on the skin so pure. Remind I what we living for. Gratitude in every breath. Transcend fear, transcend death. Double wise prophecy echo through our soul. Ancient vibration Love is the message, peace is the way. Echo, 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 forever and ever. Yeah, 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 yeah. Earth below, fire within. Breathe it in, let it begin. Ancient rhythm calling again. From the side where the roots them grow, feel the heartbeat nice and slow. Mother whisper through the breeze, songs of life in every tree. Mountains rise, rivers flow, truth inside we come to know. Every step on sacred ground, hear creation's healing sound. Earth and fire, soul ignite, guide we through the darkest night. One vibration, pure and true, love in everything we do. Earth and fire, rise as one, underneath the golden sun. Peace within and peace around, in this resonance we're found. Make me whole. Baseline rolling, heartbeat deep, roots vibration never sleep. Drum and echo, sky and ground, lost and found within the sound. Let it burn, let it cleanse. The silence, hear the truth, ageless wisdom, endless youth. Not divided, we are one, children of the moon and sun. Let the ego fade away, live in love from day to day. Every breath a sacred sign, you are earth and fire divine. Earth and fire, soul ignite, guide we through the darkest night. One vibration, echoes rise, never die. From Zion Hill to Valley Low, let the inner river flow. In the stillness of the morning sun, I hear creation call, whispers through the ancient trees, one love above it all. Footsteps on the sacred ground, where roots and spirit meet. Every heartbeat, drum or rhythm, steady, calm and sweet. Babylon noise fade away, truth reveal inside. Mirror of the soul reflect the eye that cannot hide. Breathing in the mountain air, exhale all the fear. In this moment I know Jah presence near. Echo chamber of Zion, hear the voices ring. Songs of peace and unity, creation start to sing. Echo chamber of Zion, let the message flow from the depths within your heart. Let the whole world know. River run through valleys green, cleansing every pain. Every drop of memory, washing clean again. Children of the earth arise, no division stand. Different shades, but one root, guided by his hand. Wind that carry ancient songs across the open sky. Stories of the elders teach the reason why. Live in love and harmony, no need for war and strife. Balance in the universe, reflecting every life. Echo chamber of Zion, hear the voices ring. Songs of peace and unity, creation start to sing. Echo chamber of Zion, let the message flow from the depths within your heart. Let the whole world know. Zion, 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 Zion. One love, one love. I and I. Peace. Drums and bass roll deep, echoes bouncing wide. Fragments of the melody drifting like the tide. Mind expand in silence, let the rhythm guide. Lose yourself in oneness, no separation inside. Stars align above the hills, shining truth so bright. Guiding every wandering soul back into the light. No chains upon the spirit, no borders on the soul. In the echo chamber we are already whole. Meditation in the sound, heartbeat slow and wise. See the world through loving eyes, lift the veil, disguise. Every breath a prayer now, every step a song. Walking in the righteousness where all of us belong. Echo chamber of Zion, hear the voices ring. Songs of peace and unity, creation start Mount Zion, where the spirit never dies. Breathe in, breathe out. Let your soul rise. In the silence of the morning sun, I hear the ancient rhythm drum. Heartbeat of the earth so wise, speaking truth no man can disguise. Through the valleys, through the streams, life is more than what it seems. Every leaf and every breeze carries songs of unity. Echoes of Mount Zion calling me home, where love is the seed that we've always sown. No war, no fight, just peace in the air. One heart, one light, Jah presence everywhere. Echoes of Mount Zion, hear the sound. Lift your spirit from the ground. Let it rise, let it flow to the place where true love grows. Step by step on this sacred road, drop the anger, release the load. In the stillness, truth reveals. Healing comes when the spirit feels. Children laughing in the sun remind us all we are one. No division, no disguise, just reflections in Jah eyes. Echoes of Mount Zion calling me home, where love is the seed that we've always sown. No chains, no fear, just freedom inside. Let your soul be your guide. Echoes of Mount Zion, hear the sound. Lift your spirit from the ground. Let it rise, let it flow to the place where true love grows. Echo, Zion, echo, cha-da-da-da-da-da-da, echo. Jah, Jah, guide I. Drum and bass, carry I home. From the mountains to the sea, all creation lives in harmony. If we listen, we will find heaven lives within the mind. Let go ego, pride and greed, plant instead the righteous seed. Watch it grow in love and light, turning darkness into bright. Echoes of Mount Zion calling me home, where love is the seed that we've always sown. No past, no pain can hold us down. We wear the truth like a crown. Echoes of Mount Zion, hear the Heartbeat of creation. Feel it rise, feel it flow. Everlasting. Everlasting bass vibration, moving through our soul, healing every nation, make the broken whole. From the roots of creation to the highest elevation, we rise in love, one meditation. Still I feel the presence guiding me right. In the whisper of the wind, in the rivers that run, there's a song of unity for everyone. Mountains stand tall with a silent prayer, trees reaching high like they know Jah there. Every living thing got a role to play in this sacred dance of night and day. Baseline talking, roots vibration, foundation, meditation deep like the ocean flow. Searching within, find so much more. No separation, just illusion of mind. Truth and love is what we must find. Children of the earth from near and far, connected under every star. No border can divide the soul. We all are pieces of gold. Everlasting bass vibration, moving through our soul, healing every Africa. Baseline, roll like thunder in a soul. Jah light guide me through the storm. I and I steady, never fall. Silence of the morning breeze, I feel the whisper through the trees. Roots run deep beneath my feet. Earth and spirit, they both meet. River flow and carry pain, wash away the fear and strain. In every drop a truth revealed, in every wound the light can heal. Article based storm rising high, thunder speak from earth to sky. Feel the rhythm, let it guide. Shallow flowing deep inside. Article based storm calm and strong, carry every soul along. In the echo we belong, one vibration, one true song. So I stand in truth the same, not defined by fear or name. Every leaf and every stone sing a truth we've always known. Unity in every form, peace is born beyond the storm. Article. Storm, but calm, just within. morning light. I hear the heartbeat of creation calling I home. Heavy bass roll like thunder in our soul. Roots vibration make the broken spirit whole. From the dust we rise, through the fire we grow. Jah light shining everywhere we go. Babylon noise try to clothe the mind, but the truth in our heart is what we find. Through the hills and valleys, rivers that flow, redemption song in the undertow. Heavy bass redemption, feel it in your chest, healing every wound, putting hearts to rest. One love connection, let the spirit rise. See the world clearly through the inner eye. Underneath the stars where the ancestors sing, whispers in the wind carry everything. Nature is the teacher. If you stand still, every leaf and river show the Father's will. Meditation deep where the silence speaks. Truth reveal itself to the humble and meek. No chains can hold what the soul set free when you walk in love and humility. Heavy bass redemption, feel it in your chest, healing every wound, putting hearts to rest. One love connection, let the spirit rise. See the world clearly through the inner eyes. From the city streets to the mountain high, same sun rising in the same blue sky. Different faces but the soul the same. All are we are playing Jah cosmic game. Let forgiveness flow like a river wide, wash away the pain we try to hide. In unity we stand, divided we fall. One vibration can uplift all. Heavy bass redemption, feel it in your chest, healing every wound, putting hearts to rest. One love connection, let the spirit rise. See the world clearly through the inner eye. Jah guide I through the storm, keep I steady, keep I warm. In the darkness, be the flame. All creation, one and same. Plant the seed of peace in every land. Let it grow strong by the Creator's hand. No more war, no more divide. Truth and love forever abide. Listen close to the drum within, that sacred rhythm beneath the skin. When the bass line drop, let your soul align with the pulse of life, so pure divine. Heavy bass redemption, feel it in your chest, healing every wound, putting hearts to rest. One love connection, let the spirit rise. See the world silence of the morning light, I hear the heartbeat of creation calling my home. Heavy bass roll like thunder in our soul. Roots vibration make the broken spirit whole. From the dust we rise, through the fire we grow. Jah light shining everywhere we go. Heavy bass roll like thunder in our soul. Roots vibration make the broken spirit whole. From the dust we rise, through the fire we grow. Jah light shining everywhere we go. Heavy bass roll like thunder in our soul. Roots vibration make the broken spirit whole. From the dust we rise, through the fire we grow. Jah light shining everywhere we go. Heavy bass roll like thunder in our soul. Roots vibration make the broken spirit whole. From the dust we rise, through the fire we grow. Jah light shining everywhere we go. Heavy bass roll like thunder in our soul. Roots vibration make the broken spirit go. From the dust we rise, through the fire we go. Jah light shining everywhere we go. In the silence of the hills, where the drum meets the heartbeat, we gather in stillness, breathing in Jah light, exhaling all burden. Heavy roots deep in the earth, hold firm, hold firm. Walking through the valley of reflection, every step a lesson in the sand. River whisper ancient direction, guiding I to understand. Mountains rise inside the spirit, truth is never far away. When the noise of Babylon clears, love is what remains. Heavy roots meditation, grounded in creation. Feel the vibration of one love nation. Heavy roots meditation, peaceful elevation, heart and soul connection in a pure foundation. Meditation, roots, 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 Jah light, shine bright. Sunrise paint the sky in mercy, golden fire cleanse the mind. Every leaf and breeze a sermon, speaking truths we left behind. No division in the garden, every soul a living sea. Unity the sacred rhythm, love fulfill every need. Heavy roots meditation, grounded in creation. Feel the vibration of one love nation. Heavy roots meditation, peaceful elevation, heart and soul connection in a pure foundation. Hold firm, breathe in, let go. Rise slow, a friend. In the stillness, hear the call. One love flowing through it all. Heavy roots will never fall. Your presence guide us all. Heavy roots meditation, deep communication, ancient revelation, spiritual vibration. Heavy roots meditation, natural liberation, healing every nation, true love vibration. Roots deeper than the ocean floor, roots stronger than the storm. Meditate, elevate, unify, purify. Heavy roots forever grow in the light we let go. Thunder roll, hear the ancient sound. Heartbeat of earth circling around. Deep in the valley, spirit arise. Truth in the drum, no disguise. From the mountain top to the riverside flow, whispers of wisdom in the breeze that blow. Roots run deep where the ancestors stand, guiding the children to this living land. Every heartbeat echo in the soil below. Seeds of love in the dark will grow. Silent prayers in the midnight air. Thunder drum call, say Jah still care. Thunder drum beating in my soul tonight. Carry me home on a river of light. One love rising pure and true. Nature sings and I sing with you. Thunder drum calling, hear the sound. Lift up your spirit, stand your ground. Peace like rain, fall soft and slow. In this vibration we all go. Moonlight shining on the healing trees. Songs of the forest ride the breeze. Every leaf got a message to share. Life is sacred everywhere. Look within, find a silent flame. Not every path led fortune and fame. Still waters deep where the truth resides. Let go your fear, let love be your guide. Travel through time and space. Ancient rhythm no man replace. Double-eye spirit, low and strong. Heartbeat carry we all along. City noise fade when you close your eyes. Hear the drum where the truth never lies. Babylon walls can't hold this sound. Roots vibration shaking the ground. Children laughing in the golden sun. Different faces but we Let the rhythm guide you. Roots, culture, unity. When the storm comes, don't run away. Fun boy drum teach what words can't say. Strength in silence, calm in the storm. In every trial, a new life form. Give thanks for the air that you breathe. Simple blessings we often leave. Open your heart like the endless sky. Let your spirit learn to fly. Thunder roll, steady and wise. Ancient truth never dies. Drum beat slow into the night, guiding souls toward the light. Thunder rolling in the distance, heartbeat of creation. Breathe in, breathe out. Let the rhythm guide your soul. In the silence of the morning light, where the river hums so low, I hear the ancient whisper call from the roots beneath my soul. Every leaf a prayer unfolding, every stone a sacred sign. In the rhythm of creation, I and I align. Thunderous dove chant echo through the land. One low vibration, guided by Jah hand. Peace in every heartbeat, unity we plant. Rise in meditation, thunder is dove chant. Mountain standing humble, knowing sky reflecting I and I. Every breath a living blessing, every tear a cleansing cry. Let the drums speak truth and fire. Let the bass line hold the ground. In the temple of the spirit, only love is found. Thunderous dove chant echo through the land. One low vibration, guided by Jah hand. Peace in every heartbeat, unity we plant. Rise in meditation, thunder is the chant. the storm and through the fire, still the inner flame will glow, guided by the light within us, to the truth we come to know. No division in the spirit, no separation in the heart. All creation moves together, never truly apart. Thunderous dove chant, drifting on the breeze, healing every nation, carried through the trees, gentle like the rainfall, strong like lions stand, moving sacred rhythm. Thunderous dove chant,
Your light shine in the darkest night,
roots grow deep
in eternal sight. Breath by breath we return again, for the source within, where all begin. Where all begin. Where all begin. Where all begin. Whoa.
Nature singing every language, wind and water, fire and earth. In the balance we remember every soul's divine worth. Let compassion be the pathway, let forgiveness be the key. In the mirror of each other, we are truly free. Thunderous dove chant,
Rising from the ground,
ancient drum calling,
universal sound,
hearts beat together,
lifting up the chant.
one in a spirit. Thunderous dove chant, feel the thunder, not above you, within you. Every step, every breath is part of the rhythm.
Of the eternal chant.
Of the eternal chant. Echo through the valley, ancient voices fall. Zion, Zion, let the light of truth begin. Morning sun arise on the hill so green, whispers in the wind saying go what it mean. Every leaf a message, every drop a sign. Your love flowing through all space and time. Walking humble footsteps on the sacred ground. Hear the silent wisdom in the smallest sound. No more illusion, no more disguise. Truth reveal itself to the open eyes. Zion gate echo, calling from within. Let the love flow out, let the peace begin. One heart, one soul in this life we share. Feel the roots vibration everywhere. Zion gate echo, hear the ancient song, guiding every step when the road seem long. Through the storm and fire, through the night so cold, light of unity, forever bold. light of unity, forever bold. In a spiritual, drum and bass in a spiritual. Heartbeat steady, roots run deep, wake the soul from silence sleep. Love, peace, unity, rise, rise eternally. Children of the earth, hear the sacred cry. We are all connected,